Intermediate 16. Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Creativity. The rapid advancement of generative artificial intelligence has ignited a heated debate about the future of creativity and the role of the human artist. AI models can now compose symphonies, write complex poetry, and generate stunning visual art in a matter of seconds. While some view these tools as a threat to human expression, others see them as a powerful collaborators that can augment human potential. The fundamental question is whether creativity is a uniquely human spark derived from experience and emotion, or if it's a process of pattern recognition and synthesis that can be replicated by algorithms. Historically, every technological innovation from the camera to the synthesizer has initially been met with skepticism by the artistic community. However, artists eventually learned to integrate these tools into their work, creating entirely new genres and forms of expression. Similarly, AI can be used to handle the repetitive aspects of the creative process, allowing humans to focus on high-level conceptualization and storytelling. However, the legal and ethical implications, particularly regarding copyright and the use of training data, remain unresolved. As we move forward, the challenge will be to find a balance where technology serves as a catalyst for innovation without undermining the dignity and livelihood of human creators.